Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install and configure OpenVPN on Ubuntu Linux using the free VPNBook server configuration files. We will start by installing the necessary OpenVPN package, then download the VPNBook configuration files, and finally connect securely to the VPN. By the end of this video, you will be able to browse the internet with a working VPN connection on your Ubuntu system. Make sure to watch this tutorial all the way through so you don't miss any step. And if this guide helps you, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Linux and networking tutorials. Alright, let's get started. So in step 1, firstly we will update our Ubuntu system by running the following command. You can open your terminal by pressing key Ctrl Alt T. So terminal window will open. After that, you have to run following command. Here you have to give password. So here you can see system is updated successfully. This update and upgrade command ensures that your system is up to date and has all the necessary packages installed. Next, we will install OpenVPN along with unzip to prepare for configuring the VPN. For this process, the command is after running this command, OpenVPN and unzip will be installed on your system, allowing you to configure and connect to the VPN server. Once the installation is complete, you will be ready to download and set up the VPN configuration file. So here you can see OpenVPN is installed. In step 2, we will download the VPNBook config files. For this process, open your browser and go to the vpnbook.com. So here you can see different option. So you have to choose free VPN accounts. So under the free VPN account section, you can see different OpenVPN bundles. You can choose any one of the OpenVPN bundle. Here I am choosing UK68 OpenVPN bundle. So you have to simply click on this bundle. So config file automatically downloaded to your system. Here you can also see username and password. So this username and password required in next steps. Here OpenVPN config file downloaded successfully. Let's move the config file from downloads folder to home directory and extract it. For this process, we will run the following commands in terminal. So let's switch to the terminal. Let's clear the screen. Type following command. Next, run this command. Next, run this command. So here you can see file is extracted here. Now you can see all configuration files are stored inside the VPN configs folder. You will notice files for different connection options like TCP 443, TCP 80, UDP and UDP 53. Now go back to the VPNBook website. Here you will see a username and randomly generated password. The username is always VPNBook, but the password changes every week. So make sure to copy the latest one. Now we have the latest username and password from VPNBook, but we don't want to type them every time we connect. So in the next step, we will create a secure credential file that OpenVPN can use automatically. In the step 4, to store credentials, let's create a credentials file. Run the following command in terminal. Using the nano editor, we can edit this VPNBook auth text file by adding the username and password on two separate lines. The username is VPNBook and password is now save the file with Ctrl O, press enter, then Ctrl X. Now we have successfully edited the VPNBook auth text file with nano editor. Now we will secure the VPNBook auth text file by running the following command. Now that our credential file is secure, the next step is to make sure OpenVPN knows to use it. We will do this by editing the configuration file to point to our credentials. So we don't have to enter them manually each time we connect. Next, we will edit the one of the .ovpn configuration file using nano editor. So here you can see different OVPN configuration file. For example, I am choosing VPNBook UK68 443 OVPN config file. For this, I am editing it by following command. As I choose this TCP443 OVPN config file, so command should be this full path including this config file name. So command is actual command will be this full path including this config file name. Now enter. So here you can see config file is open in nano editor. Now we can edit this file. So now find the line that says auth user pass and change it to the include the full path of your credential file like this. As you can see the auth user pass line showing here. Now here we will add the full path of our credential file like this. I have already copied that full path. You can also copy path and add here after this auth user pass line space. I have pasted this credential file path. Here you can see your username. Now my username is Ubuntu, like my system username is Ubuntu, so I simply add this username here. Now you can simply save this file by Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X. So we have successfully added this credential file path. By this cat command, you can check path is added successfully or not. So here we can see our path is added successfully. Here I have changed my username to Ubuntu. You can change your username as per your system name. As configuration file updated to use our credential, we are ready to connect. The next step is to start OpenVPN and verify that it's running properly. Now let's connect to the VPN by running this command. So command is sudo openvpn config. This is the path and this UK68 TCP443 OVPN config file. Now enter. Enter password. If everything is correct, you will see the message initialization sequence completed. So here we can see initialization sequence is completed. It means we have successfully connected to the VPN. But we will ensure if OpenVPN service is running in background or not. To check this, we will open another terminal window and run this command. So you can open terminal window from here. So new terminal window is open and run this command ps box space pipe grep open VPN. So you can see this OpenVPN command, OpenVPN services running in the background. Next, we will check if the VPN is working or not. So open browser and visit whatismyipaddress.com. So open new tab and type what is my IP address. Open this website. Here you can see my current IP address, my current IPv6, and you can see my current location is showing England, United Kingdom. As I have chosen UK68 OpenVPN config file, that's why it is showing UK location. That means VPN is working fine. Now to stop the VPN, go back to your terminal window where VPN process is running and simply enter Control C. So here you can see VPN process is disconnected. Now we can check VPN process is running in background or not. So here you can see OpenVPN process is stopped. That means we have disconnected from OpenVPN. Let's check through the browser. I will refresh this browser page. Currently it is showing United Kingdom. I am refreshing this page. Now you can see my current location is changed. It means we have disconnected from VPN. Now let's again connect to the VPN. Simply run same command that we have run previously. Enter password. Here you can see we are connecting to VPN process. Initialization sequence is completed. It means we have connected to the VPN. Let's check through the browser. Refresh the page. Again it is showing England, United Kingdom location. That means we have successfully connected to the VPN again. And that's it. We have successfully installed and configured OpenVPN on Ubuntu using VPNBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Linux and networking guides. Thanks for watching.